Quick, graph y equals 2x squared minus 3 by hand, two different ways. This is part of the Family of Functions series. You will need graph paper, or you can download this PDF and print it. And please press pause as needed anytime during this video. So to graph this, first of all, you need to decide what the parent function is and its shape. The parent function is y equals x squared, and its shape is that U-shaped parabola. And I'm hoping you can mentally picture this graph in your head. Identify the parameters. And what I mean by parameters are values in the expression that affect the graph. So in this case, 2 and minus 3 are numbers in the expression that affect the graph. And how do they affect the graph? Well, the minus 3 shifts all points down 3, including the vertex, which is normally at the origin. So now it's at 0, negative 3. The 2 doubles the y values. For the parabola dance, we need to double the y values. So instead of right 1, up 1, on our normal parabola dance, it's going to be right 1, up 2. Instead of right 2, up 4, 2 squared is 4, it's going to be right 2, up 8, doubling the 4. Left 1, up 1 becomes left 1, up 2. And left 2, up 4 becomes left 2, up 8. Connect the points. And this is our parabola. And we can compare it to the parent function and see that this graph is narrower than the parent function because of that parameter 2. And it's down 3 from the parent function because of the minus 3. Second way is using a table. So this is our normal 5 points for the parabola, y equals x squared. We keep the x values the same because those parameters do not affect the x values at all, just the y values. The parameters 2 and minus 3 affect the y values in this way. We need to use the order of operation, which remember is multiplication, division, and then addition and subtraction. So we multiply the y value by 2 first, and then subtract 3 second. It's important that we follow the order of operations. So 4 times 2 minus 3 would be 8 minus 3, which is 5. And we'll plot that point, 2 comma 5. 1 times 2 is 2, minus 3 is negative 1. So we'll plot 1, negative 1. We'd like you to go ahead and finish the table here, and then plot the points. Press pause, and then resume when you're ready. So 0 times 2 minus 3 is negative 3. 1 times 2 is 1, minus 3 is negative 1. So we'll plot negative 1, comma, negative 1. And 4 times 2 is 8, minus 3 is 5, so negative 2, comma, 5. Connect the points into a parabola. Compare it to the parent function, y equals x squared. And we can see that it's narrower, or has the green is a vertical stretch, and it's also shifted down 3. Now you try one. Graph y equals 1/2 times x squared plus 1. Use either method or both for the practice. Press pause to do this and resume when you're finished to check. So this is our graph here. We also include the table y equals x squared in blue, the green graph table here, and you can see that 1/2 the y plus 1 is the y coordinate on the green.